Hello, Standard 9 students. This is Sanju ma'am here, and we are again here with Merchant of Venice, Act 2, Scene 3. In the last scene, you have seen and we have read that Lancelot has decided to leave his master Shylock and wants to join Bassanio. And in this scene, Act 2 Scene 3 is a very short scene, and here Shylock's daughter Jessica is introduced, and also her romance with Lorenzo is brought to light. Okay, and Lancelot is leaving Shylock's service and has come to take the leave. Jessica feels very sorry to know that that Lancelot is leaving her father's service, because his presence in the house used to cheer her. So this is scene 3 in Venice, a room in Shylock's house. Enter Jessica and Lancelot. Jessica speaks. I am sorry, thou wilt leave my father so. Our house is hell, and thou a merry devil. Didst rob it of some taste of tediousness, but fare thee well. There is a ducat for thee. And Lancelot, soon at supper shalt thou see Lorenzo, who is thy new master's guest. Give him this letter, do it secretly, and so farewell. I would not have my father see me in talk with thee. So now Jessica, Shylock's daughter, is regretting that Lancelot is going to leave his father's service, means Shylock's service, and he wants to take Bassanio's service. And she tells Lancelot that their house is just like a hell. Okay, but because Shylock is very miser, and he doesn't make his house, means any kind of entertainment doesn't goes on in his house. But as this fellow is just like a clown, this Lancelot, so his presence in the house makes the house merry. Okay, means happy. So what Jessica is saying, that although our house is a hell, but you are a merry devil, means you are a source of entertainment in our house. Didst rob it of some taste of tediousness, that you reduced some of the boredom of our house. But fare thee well. But farewell, because you have already decided that you will go to Bassanio's service. And there is a ducat for thee. See, here is a ducat for you. Now she is giving a ducat to Lancelot, but she has some plans in her mind. So she is giving a ducat to Lancelot, because she is very clever. Now she will say what she wants. So she is saying, and Lancelot, soon at supper shalt thou see Lorenzo. So Lorenzo is her lover, and what she is saying, Lancelot, listen, Lancelot, you will see Lorenzo soon at supper time, means in Bassanio's house you will see him the supper time, and he is your new master's guest tonight, and he is your master's guest, he will be there. Give him this letter. So see, this is my letter, so you please take it and do it secretly, and you please take this letter and please give it to him, but give it to him very secretly, and so farewell. And so now goodbye, and I would not have my father see me in talk with thee, and I don't want my father to see me talking to you. Now Lancelot, okay, adieu, tears exhibit my tongue. Tears exhibit my tongue, most beautiful pagan, most sweet Jew, if a Christian do not play the knave and get thee, I am much deceived. But adieu, these foolish drops do somewhat drown my manly spirit. Adieu. So goodbye. Tears prevent me from speaking means he is also feeling sad at the same time to leave Shylock's house because he was familiar with Jessica. Although he did not like Shylock, but he was quite familiar with Jessica. So he says that tears prevent me from speaking. So most beautiful pagan means he is saying that you are you are a beautiful pagan, my dear Jewess, means you are very beautiful Jewess. Goodbye. I will feel cheated if a Christian Lorenzo is going to play dishonest and get you. And he is saying that if a Christian do not play the knave and get thee, I am much deceived. So he is saying, I will feel cheated if a Christian he refers to Lorenzo, is going to play dishonest and get you. But goodbye, these foolish tears somehow dampen my, means it is just damping my manly courage, means what my manly spirit. So adieu means farewell, and he departs from the scene. Now Jessica says goodbye Launcelot. Farewell, good Launcelot. Exit Launcelot. And now alack, Jessica speaks. Alack, what heinous sin is it in me to be ashamed to be my father's child? But thou, I am a daughter to his blood, I am not to his manners. O Lorenzo, if thou keep promise, I shall end this strife, become a Christian and thy loving wife. So what Jessica is speaking after Launcelot exits, she is speaking to herself. Alas, that alack means alas, what a terrible sin it is for me to feel ashamed to be the daughter of my father. So she is also ashamed to be Shylock's daughter because she also did not like his father's ways of taking money from others and how people used to hate his father. But thou, I am a daughter to his blood, but I am a child of your blood, I am born to you, I am not to his manners, but I do not have the habits of you, of my father, means I don't have the behavior and habits of my father. O Lorenzo, so what he is speaking to herself, O Lorenzo, if thou keep promise, means whatever I have written in this letter, if you keep your promise, I will put an end to this conflict, means I am in conflict, to end this strife, means I am in conflict, what to do, become a Christian and thy loving wife. She also feels bad at the same time that she is going to leave her father, but she decides finally that she will leave her father and she will get married to Lorenzo, who is a Christian, and become her dear wife, and she will also become a Christian. And by saying this, she departs. Okay. So thank you, children. Hope you all have understood this scene well. Next scene will be put up again.